Hey guys, it's Mike with Trade the Fifth Wave. It is Monday, November 22nd, 2021 at 6:54 a.m. and it's time for a quick hit. I do these every day when I got to play. I'm actually trying to get into this play. As I do most plays, you'll find that most every I try to play everything that I post, and I play with real money. I don't play with fake money. Uh, as you can see, I'm trying to get into ENGA right now, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But if you're interested in seeing my Coffee and Stocks videos, because I talked about this on Coffee and Stocks, they're on the YouTube channel. They're up there for free. What they are, I make them, and there is an email list I send them out to first thing in the morning. There's ways to get on that email list if you're interested. Uh, and then I turn them public about noon, 1 o'clock, most regularly every day. Other than that, if you follow the link in the description of this video you'll see my Fiverr gig, which is what they call it. What Fiverr is a middleman company that if you read my gig and you think, oh, that's something that I want to try, you pay Fiverr. Fiverr then holds the money in the middle until such time as you believe that I'm not a scam and I'm not trying to swindle you out of anything or whatever. Then you go to Fiverr and you say, yeah, he's doing what he says he's going to do, and they release the money to me. So they protect you, they protect me, and they keep everybody happy in the middle. Uh, I have a live Discord that I trade on almost every day, and uh, it the video portion of it looks a lot like what you're looking at here. It's me talking in the screen. I don't put my face up on there because I have a face that was made for radio. But so we trade every day and we have a good time and we talk about the whammy and we make a little money. So anyway, let's get on to today's stock. So ENGA, this popped up on a scanner right towards the end of the day on Friday. So I went in there and started watching it. Uh, and I didn't realize the stock doesn't trade after hours. So it's at this way for a pullback, and all of a sudden it closed business. We were done. So what I'm trying to do now, this stock is, if we go out here to the daily, uh, or I guess we could even go to the weekly. This thing has, I mean, it's had little pops, but it's never had anything like this. And this stock could easily, I mean, a lot of that was wick on the daily chart, right? But we had day before it made a pop. Friday it made a pop. I don't think it's done making a pop, quite honestly. If we go out here to the weekly chart, what I'm getting at is I don't think this is a pump and dump. I think this is catalyst for whatever's coming. Now, this is Engage Mobility Incorporated. They have no news on this whatsoever. Uh, but that leads me to believe that there's something coming uh, in the future. I mean, it is. I mean, obviously, there's no volume pre-market because this doesn't trade pre-market. Uh, it's reasonably low float at 23 million. It's not horribly low float. There's no news on this thing. There's nothing to drive this 205 pop. So my play for this is I was trying to uh, I tried to get above that last candle of 107. So I set my buy at exactly $1.10. And with this thing having a near term price target of 231, all the way down to the 5 minute time frame, and nice green money flow on Cypher, the VWAP's getting ready to close. It just has all the catalysts to make a quick pop. Now, this could literally go the other direction on the bell. So the more you're willing to give away, the safer you'll be. So if you wanted to take this up to my plan is to play this from 110 to 220, make 100% on it and drop. Uh, Now, if it's just all nice green candles on the 1 minute that and or if it just goes up and pop and just smacks uh, that 231, great. One candle, if one candle does that, fantastic, makes me happy. Uh, but what I tried to do was get high enough in it that if it goes up a little bit and then falls off, I don't get trapped. If you wanted to be safer, you could easily come up to that 135 mark. And even if, I mean, if you've got in at 135 and make that a safe entry, I mean, safer than what mine is at 110, that still leaves you 231. That still leaves you a 71%. Uh, from here to here is still 71%. And that gives you a little bit of room for a big run up and a fall off. Uh, the next level that you could do it is at that 159 mark. And if you happen to get in at 159, uh, that still from here to here leaves you 45%. So there's several ways to make money on here, several different limits. To me, I'm only getting in it for like $550, so I'm going to gamble a little more. I'd like to make 100% on that for fun. This is, if you were, like I said, if you were going to make this, the higher you get up here, the safer you make the play. And I mean, with obviously with left profit you can make. Uh, so what you're trying to avoid by putting your, if this just breaks and runs on that first candle, it could be up above 180, and then you've burnt a big chunk of your profit. So with where we're at right now, these little tiny, these stocks that don't trade after hours, you got to play them a little bit different. So it could break, it could run, and on that first candle, we could be up over $2. And I'll fill on the way up as it goes past my number, but maybe even not necessarily. I mean, it could come in and poof, be uh, just jump straight to $2, and that would be. And if that's the case, then it's not worth getting in. But right now on the screen, the bid on this stock is 51 cents. The ask is 167. So you have such a spread with where we're at. I'm hoping to get filled at 110. Uh, Honest, the higher you go, the more probability of you getting filled. And if I miss my fill at 110 and it jumps straight to $2, so be it. I mean, I missed my fill. Uh, you could also do contingent orders, like you could put a fill here, and fill here, and if this one fills, cancel. If this one fills, cancel, and so on and so forth. Uh, there's several different ways to play this. I really feel like this is going to be just a brutal off the gate, one way or the other. Maybe it's not, but it has had those nice little pops that have been that honestly put this thing on my scanner. Uh, if you go out here and you look at the daily, we had nice little pop, nice little pop, nice little pop, big pop, and that's you're looking at Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So before last week, whatever is causing this catalyst, I can't answer. If you go out to the weekly, there's never been anything like this in this stock's life. That's why you don't get in there too deep. I mean, uh, that's why I'm only in for like under $600. But there it is. There's the quick hit. It is a watch list. Nothing I say is ever a recommendation to buy, hold, or sell. Buy, sell, or hold a stock. It is purely my opinion and purely the way I am playing this stock at this moment. So you're big boys and girls. You should be making your own decisions and doing your own due diligence. And at the end of the day, whatever choice you do make with your money is in fact your choice. So appreciate you guys watching. Like, share, subscribe, share this with everybody. I sure appreciate the help. Uh, if you make any money, leave me a little thumbs up out there or whatever, and tell your friends. That's all I ask. I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you make $1 million today. Good luck.